Hello, Lisa here. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be talking about a very exciting deck that I just got in. I know I say that about everything, but you guys, I swear to God, I get excited about it. I really do get excited about a lot of things. So I am going to be unboxing and doing a first impressions flip through of the deck for Wonder Walking. I am really excited about this one. This is an Oracle deck. It looks like it's going to be beautiful, but I actually sort of impulse backed this one. So we will see. I haven't seen very many of the images, but I'm really looking forward to flipping through it with you guys and giving you my very first impressions. So if you're down for that, stay tuned. I'm going to flip cameras and we're going to get right into it. And here we are on my reading table. Let's dive into this beauty. So it's really beautifully wrapped. I just really wanted to take all this beautiful string off on camera. Look at this gorgeous print. This is like, oh, it's a card. Oh, and it's hand addressed. Oh, that is so pretty, you guys. Look at this. Oh, so if you are looking for this deck, here's the information, amyt1.com. And this is, again, a deck for Wonder Walking. Let's just put that beauty there. I love that it's wrapped. It's just like Christmas. Okay, I really want to try to not rip this sticker. So let's see how I do here. Ha! There we go. I saw that Dustin at ModernMetaphysicMan, when he did his notebook, Traveler's Notebook tour, he had rescued this and put it in his notebook. It is really quite beautiful. Alright, I love opening presents, I have to say. Oh, I bumped my camera. Now we got some plastic to deal with, but that's okay. Look at this box. That's gorgeous. Okay, let's see if I can do this. I'm going to do this off camera so that I don't screw it up. Perfect. Alrighty. It's always a little bit dicey when you're taking off plastic, because if you're too quick, you can end up scratching your box. Okay. So this is what we have. Look at that. Beautiful. And I think it opens up this way. Yeah, it does. I love this box. This is gorgeous. It does have a nice soft feel to it, and it opens to the side. This is probably one of my favorite types of openings for boxes. I love it. Oh, and look at that. An invitation to human experience, or to the human experience. So when we get inside, oh, look at that. In the bottom it says Walk in Wonder. How gorgeous is that? And I love that we've got a nice long ribbon here. So we have our cards, and we have a little guidebook, a deck for Wonder Walking. So this has a really nice feel to it too. So this folds out, and I bet, let's just see what happens if I keep folding it out here. Oh no, it's just really nice and thick. This has, this paper even has that rose petal finish. There's a ton of information on here. And it does still, because of the way it's folded, very much read through like a book, like in order. And then you can flip it over and move through the back pages. So that's kind of a very cool design, and it has that, yeah, that rose petal-y kind of feel. So that is the box and the guidebook. We're going to set that aside, and let's take a look at the artwork. Oh yeah, so it does have, the cardstock does have a soft feel, like that rose petal finish on the front, and just a smooth matte on the back. I wasn't sure how I'd feel about that when I found out about that, but I don't think it bothers me. No, these still feel really lovely, I will admit. And it seems to be a nice flexible cardstock, nothing too crazy. I think what I'll try to do for this, let me get the garbage out of the way, is I think I will try to zoom us in a little bit. So let's see how I do. Let's bring us in a little closer. Oh, that's not bad. Alrighty. So we have portals. Having a hard time with the font here. This might just be a word I'm not familiar with. That is beautiful. I'm loving the artwork. I'm not going to try and read them all because, to be honest, I'm doing this in my viewfinder and I'm like, that's kind of tricky for my eyes. But I'm loving the flowiness and the wateriness of the art. Hope. Nope, Flora. I said hope. See, this is why I shouldn't read them out loud. This is gorgeous. I feel like this is a deck you could just lose yourself in. This would be a stunning deck for path working. I'm just going to keep flipping through the cards. I probably won't say a lot here, but I'm just really enjoying the artwork. I actually think the more that I look at this, the more I appreciate that the text is really muted and not really bold and in your face, because I feel like I'm just getting lost in the artwork. Oh, look at this. Fauna. Oh, okay, there was a flora card and now there's a fauna card. I love this enchantment card. This is one of the ones that I saw before I backed this deck. The woods. Oh. The moon. Look at this turtle. Poetry. Oh, my dogs are about to wrestle. So if you hear them, that's what's going on. The sun. I love that this almost looks like a flare off the sun. This is so, so pretty. This would be a really, really good intuitive deck. Excuse me for the cough. I should have a sip. I think this would be really good just to sink into. Get lost in. Oh. Following the rabbit. Oh. Pretend. Oh, that is so pretty. That's gorgeous. Yeah, I'm really, really glad that I picked this one up. It's just first impressions. I don't know how I'll end up feeling once I've worked with it for a bit, and I do really enjoy the landscape. We don't have a lot of decks that turn this direction. There's almost this scrying-like quality to these images. They're really soft. They're nebulous in places, and I feel like sometimes I look at an image and I see one thing and then I realize there's something else, and that can be really dreamy. That's what it is. This deck is very dreamy. The creator intended for this to be a deck that would inspire you when you were out in nature going walking, wonder walking as she calls it, which is why this is called the deck for wonder walking. But I feel like this is also a really transportive deck. I could see being stuck indoors and just, I can't wait to path work with this deck. That's what I keep thinking of. I have to say, I am loving how my camera is picking up the detail in these images. Just a few more. Darkness. Yeah, I'm almost hypnotized looking at these, which is really interesting. I don't normally have that experience, but this is so good. And our last one here. Discernment. Wow, these are beautiful. So I don't know how many cards are in this deck. Let's just zoom us back in, here, or out rather. In, zoom out. You know, those, sorry for getting my hand in the way there. So let's see if this actually says. Guidebook. Yeah, I'm not seeing, are they numbered? No, they're not numbered. Yeah, I'm not sure off the top of my head what, this feels like a very substantial number of cards. I'm guessing there's 50 plus. Yeah, but it doesn't say here. I'm really, really looking forward to working with these, and I do plan to work with these. Probably by the time you watch this video, I'll already be working with them, because I think I'm going to be putting this up a little bit later, but I'm really, 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 really looking forward to, I feel like this would be just, yeah, to meditating, to path working, to just sitting with these images. They're just They're so gorgeous. I cannot wait. I can't wait. Oh. So this again is a deck for wonder walking, and the artist, let me just get you a name here. This is the Paintings from the Wild edition, so perhaps she plans on other editions. That would be pretty incredible. You know what? Let's see if it's on the front or the side or the back. Amy T1. Okay, good. I did name her, I believe, in the beginning here. Amy T1. So again, that is the box. Beautiful, beautiful deck, and I could not be happier with this one. So yeah, if you want to check it out, you can go to her website, which I believe is amyt1.com, or you can Google a deck for wonder walking. I'll try to remember to put a link down below, but I am very pleased. Look at this box. I just can't with how dreamy this is. Okay, I better wrap this one up. Thank you so much for hanging out with me as I flipped through this deck for the very, very first time. I will definitely keep you posted on how it works out for me. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.